How to block spam in Gmail automatically. Open Gmail on your computer or mobile device and go to your inbox. When you see a spam message, open it and click the three dots menu in the top right corner of the message. From the menu, choose block followed by the sender's name, and Gmail will automatically send future emails from that address to your spam folder. You can also choose report spam, which helps Gmail recognize and filter similar unwanted messages. If you want to create a custom filter, click the search bar at the top, enter the sender's email address or keywords, and then select Create Filter. From there, choose Delete or Send to Spam so Gmail handles these emails for you automatically. Once saved, Gmail will apply this rule to future emails that match your filter. These tools work together to keep your inbox clean without you needing to manually remove junk mail. And that's basically how to block spam in Gmail automatically. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.